If your Twitter or X account is suspended and you do not get any kind of a response, if you do get a response, it's all automated from bots and stuff like that. Watch my video completely till the end, because I'm going to give you a few ideas through which you could appeal and try and get your account reinstated for yourself very soon. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your Twitter or X account is suspended. I'm very sorry about that, but I'm sure that these guys did not ban your account for no reason. I'm very much sure there is a reason. Whenever they suspend your account or disable it, you definitely get a communication from them, like in an email. So everything is going to be in that email out there, and if there's an option to appeal, is also going to be there in the email, what you could do and stuff like that. Okay, now I have received a couple of emails and messages. People are saying that even after logging into your Twitter account and putting in an appeal, you do not get a response, or if you get a response, it is coming in from bots or whatever. Okay, because 10 or 20 times a person tried to appeal and he got the same response. All right. Now, let me be very honest with you. Twitter is a different type of a company. It's not like Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. The support is very limited. And I'm being honest with you. If you have a regular account with Twitter, like a free one, you are hardly going to get any support. But if you have a premium subscription, you do have like humans at customer support to support you. That is a fact. But it's actually unfair if your Twitter or X account is suspended, even though you do not do anything wrong. And it is not actually suspended by humans at Twitter. X or Twitter has adopted AI in their systems. Even if it suspects a small thing on your account, they're going to suspend it. So what you need to do is get hold of a laptop or a PC or a smartphone, and then you go ahead and open Google Chrome and do a search for Google Play. Then click on the first link that is suggested and get onto this page. Here you do a search for Twitter, and then you click on the X logo out here and get onto the official page for X or Twitter. Now here under app support, you're going to see an email address out here. Okay, you could copy this email address and send in an appeal to these guys. So you could just put the email address out here, and then in the subject line you could just mention that my account was suspended for no reason. You can put in a message something like this: "Hi team, recently my account was suspended for no reason. I tried to appeal but got no response or support. Please could you look into this issue and reinstate my account? Put in your Twitter email and your Twitter handle. Regards, your name." Just send this, and I'm very much sure you are definitely going to get a response from these guys with a resolution. Once you receive a reply from them, just follow instructions, and if you haven't done anything wrong, I'm very much sure your account is going to be reinstated. So you send these guys an email and wait for like 3 working days. After 3 working days, if you get a response, well and good. If you do not, go ahead and send an email to this email address. So you could send this email and wait for 2 to 3 working days. The appeal in the application is not working. When you log in, you're not able to appeal. You're getting a automated response every time. Secondly, you go ahead and send these guys an email. They're not responding to you. What I would suggest is leave a feedback on Google Play for the application. If you leave a feedback for these guys on Google Play on the application, what is going to happen is that these guys are definitely going to respond to you, because whatever applications are on Google Play, all applications would never ever want a negative feedback on their account. And my friend, if you haven't done anything wrong, if you are not into spamming or scamming, or if you're not posting bad pictures or weird videos on Twitter or X, then you are innocent. And if these guys just ban your account, it's not fair. So then you could give an honest feedback for Twitter on Google Play. I think I would not get the option out here, but if you log into Google Play using your Android device and just do a search for X or Twitter out there, you're going to get an option to leave a feedback. Just leave an honest feedback out there that you're not getting help. Leave the feedback, and you see these guys are definitely going to respond to you and help you with your issue, and even ensure that that feedback is removed or changed or whatever. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.